Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change the power steering pump on this 1990 Ford Bronco. This is a pretty simple job. You're going to have to remove the tubes between the air filter and the intake. You're going to have to remove the serpentine belt, and you will need to rent a tool to remove the power steering pulley. Out with the old and in with the new. Installing is just the reversal of that procedure. We're going to slide the new pump in, reattach the power steering lines, install those 3 bolts, and of course reinstall the pulley. Once that's in, we can put the belt on, reattach the intake tubes, and test it out. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if the power steering works. Hey! Alright, power steering works finally. That took forever. The installation tool from O'Reilly's was broken and ended up having to go get one from Napa. But new power steering pump is in. Pulley reinstalled, belt installed. Weird vacuum leak over there. Last thing we need to do is replace this throttle position sensor.